Hi, I'm Andrea from Crane, and I'd like to introduce Crane's new drop shape humidifiers. The Crane drop shape cool mist humidifier makes breathing easier for a good night's sleep. They also help with nasal congestion, dry cough, and help protect against dry skin, chapped lips, and nosebleeds. Cool mist humidifiers are perfect for cold and flu season, as well as year-round moisture to your home. The Crane drop shape humidifiers create a whisper quiet fine mist. It has a 360-degree nozzle to direct the mist, a variable cool mist output control that puts out up to 2.3 gallons per day, a 1-gallon water tank that runs a minimum of 10 hours, and an auto-off function when the tank is empty. Crane humidifiers are simple to use and include an operation manual. Please keep the manual in a very safe place for future reference. Now there's a water tank nozzle for the mist, a 1-gallon water tank that's easy to fill, and a water basin. Please be aware that the tank is filled from the bottom, not the top. Now first, unscrew the water tank cap. Then fill the water tank with cool tap water. It fits perfectly under most faucets. Replace the water tank cap and then put the filled water tank back onto the water basin. Now make sure that it's sitting on a level, elevated surface. The humidifier knob is used to adjust the mist output. It's usually best to have the output on a medium setting to allow the mist to be absorbed into the air. You do not need a filter to run the humidifier. But if your tap water has a high mineral content, you can use distilled water or purchase a Crane demineralization filter. If you use the humidifier continuously, it's recommended to change the filter every month. You only use a filter if you have hard water. Now please remember, it's very important to clean your humidifier. Please view our cleaning video for complete instructions.